Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python's beginner session. So last video we talked about dictionaries in Python. So today we are going to discuss more about dictionary, that is nested dictionary, how to define dictionary inside dictionary, how to add values in it, how to delete values from that, and how to you run loops in dictionary as well. So here, as the name suggests, nested dictionary is a dictionary that contains dictionaries inside it. So here I have made a dictionary that is student is the name of the dictionary, main dictionary, which has four sub dictionaries inside it: student 1, student 2, 3, and 4. It has information or data about students. So what student 1 dictionary has, it has name of the student, which class is go on, which level it is, and which year they belong to, and the same information are there in other dictionaries as well. So if we print student, you can see all the key and value pairs with the main key as well. So you can see all the information that a student dictionary carries. So to access a particular dictionary from there, as we did in last video, we give key name with our dictionary in a square brackets, and you will get the value of that key. So for example, we want to check only student 2 information. So we write student, and in the square bracket we write our key name student 2, and then all the information are there. If we want to check only the name of a student 3, we don't want all the information like name, class, level, and year. We just want the name. Then we write it with two square brackets. First square bracket carries the main key, and second square bracket will take the sub key of that sub list. When we run it, we'll get a student 3 name, that is James here. You can add even a new dictionary by creating it outside the main dictionary. For example, here I have defined a dictionary that is a student 4, and it carries the same data with name, class, level, and year. If I print it, it will show you one dictionary because there is no other dictionary inside it. But if I want to add that dictionary in our main dictionary, that is a student, here I need to create a new key, that is a student 4, and I assign the variable where this dictionary has been stored, student 4. So it will automatically take all the information that consists in student 4 dictionary and then pass it to the key student 4. So if we print student, you can see student 4 key and the value has been added here in the dictionary. Even you can create new dictionary like that as well, where you define just in variables, you define 4 or 5 different dictionaries, and then with the new key name, you just in the value you just pass variable names, so all the values that variable consist will go inside automatically in the dictionary. You can also add a particular key inside sub dictionary as well. Here, for example, is student 4, I am adding a status and the value is married. So if I do it like this, what it will do, it will add in student 4 because the main key is student 4. Then there is no other key status, so it will add a new key status here where the value is married. So that's been added in the subdictionary. You can also remove values from subdictionaries with their key value pair. So if you write del function like we did in last video with the main single dictionary, del and then dictionary name with their keys, so it will delete that particular key that is mentioned here. So in a student 4, we mentioned key status, so now you can see status key is missing, so there is no other key. We are printing student dot pop here. So what does that mean? We are deleting our last key, that is student 4, via pop method, but we are not assigning it into a variable, or we are not just printing student our main dictionary. We are printing pop here with it. So what it will show, the item that it will pop, it will print only that popped item in it. So if we print it, it will show what it has been popped. So it has popped that student 4 key with its value name alice class python, because if you print a student here, you will see student 4 data is has been deleted. It's not here in the end. So that's been deleted. Pop will show, if you just print directly pop, it will show deleted item. But if you print the dictionary, you will see there is no more, that item is there because it's been deleted. Now we will learn about loops in dictionary, how you will run a loop in dictionary. You can loop through a dictionary by using for loop, because for loop we use to run or to iterate items from a sequence. So that can be a string, that can be a list, that can be a tuple, that can be a dictionary or a set in Python. So these are the sequence. So to iterate values from a sequence, we run for loop. So when looping through a dictionary, what it will do, it returns a value. It returns key. To get the value, we need to define key as a method inside the dictionary. So let's see how we'll do it. So here, if we run for key in student 4, there can be any variable key I used. You can use I, A, X, you can use anything here. So for key in a student 4, that is our dictionary name, we are printing only the keys. So if you print here, it will give you all the keys that a dictionary consists, because we are checking only single dictionary. That's why it's printing this. Now, if you go and want all the values, the loop is same for key in student 4, but what we are doing in printing, we are defining our dictionary here, and in square brackets we are giving key. So as the key is printing here, so this key carries all the key names, so it will pass all the key names one by one here. And if when we define key here, what happens, we get all the values. So this way you get all the values from the dictionary. You can also use values and keys method to get the value and the key directly from the dictionary. So if you use for key in a student 4 dot values, it will print all the values. If you use for key in student 4 dot keys, if you use keys method, it will give you all the keys in the dictionary. As we learned in last video, again we are repeating this. Items, what items do, it will give you both key and value, both values as a pair it will give you. So if we run key value in student 4 dot items method, what it will give is, it will give us key and value, both the pairs it will show us. Name key, alice is the value, class is a key, python is value, level is a key, beginner is a value, year is a key, 2019 is a value. So it will give us both the items. So now if we talk about copying a dictionary, so you cannot directly copy a dictionary by using equals to sign, because if you do that, what it will do, if you make any changes in dict 2, it will automatically make changes to dict 1 as well, because you are referring directly to dict 1 to dict 2. But if you want to make a copy of dictionary, where if you make any changes in dictionary 2, it should not impact dictionary 1, then you use copy method. So for example, we are taking a student information and we are copying a student dictionary into student info. If you print it, it will give us all the information, all the data that a student dictionary carries has transferred into, or copied, sorry, not transferred, copied into student info. Now if you want to loop through nested dictionary, and you want to get the items from there, what you do, you use for loop first in main dictionary, that is for key and value you want both the items, because then only you can get subdictionary. So you get first key and value, for example, student 1, and the dictionary inside the value. You are iterating that with item method. Then what you are doing, you are taking that value, you are then running iterating that value from main dictionary, that is the sub dictionary. So you are taking items in value, and then it, what item will get, it will get keys. You remember when we done it before? So it will print item, that means it will print key, and then we are passing the dictionary name with the key, so it will print us value. So let's print it and check what happens. So first it is printing only the key student 1, then it is printing key, and then with colon it is printing us value, then key value key value key value. So first dictionary is done, then it will go up again and check second key. Okay, second key value is also a dictionary, it has lots of values, then it will come again down here, so it will read all the sub dictionaries as well. So this way you can loop or you can iterate sub dictionary as well. I hope you understand it. If there is any confusion, please write in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like my video, please press like button and subscribe it. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. See you in our new video. Bye bye.